want to man the camera?
Hey, Cobras.
And you know what?
Are you guys starting now?
Yeah.
Okay. I was going to give you the ball.
Oh, okay, yeah.
If they want to pass.
Let's get started. Yeah, let's
Or we can get started. We got a game ball over.
Okay, then you're passing to Mohit. Ready, Mohit? Distribute it. K-Dub and Sergio, you're going up the sideline.
All right, coaches, 25.
Let's go, Earthquakes. Defense, move up. Pressure, let's go, Alex, come on. Come on, get that back.
Come on, George. George, that's you.
All the way up the side, all the way up the
Markman
side.
got behind you. Markman got behind
All
you.
the way back. Back, Alex, all the way back, Alex. Attack, Alex, attack. Alex, come on. Let's go, you gotta get back.
Boys, pay attention to the game over here. You guys remember your position?
Corner.
Good.
Mohit! Mohit! Mohit, take the corner!
Hey, Gael.
Mohit!
Backside. Top the box, top the box.
Look at Maxie. Come on, K-Dub. Pressure him, K-Dub. Get there. Come on, K-Dub. You got to sprint. That's your ball, buddy. Get there. Get there. Get there. Come on, Damien. Come on. Come on. Get back.
Do it if you have it. If you have it, go.
Go.
Do it, go. Go.
George, stay in the middle. In the middle. George, you're in no man's land.
Halfway. Gael. Gael.
Julian, move up.
Halfway. Julian, halfway. Come closer together. Closer together. Closer, closer, closer.
Right there is good. Right there is good. Eye on the ball.
Christian. Outside, outside.
Quicker.
Ball back. Ivan, you gotta get back. Ivan, all the way.
Big kick, Gael.
Alex, you gotta get back, man. Come on.
Good, George. Come on, get physical.
Alex, get back.
There you go, Sergio. Mohit, be in the middle for a shot. Mohit, your kick. Sergio, you're the outlet. You're the outlet. Cadence,
Sergio.
you guys got to fight for that ball. Cadence, get further in. George, scoot up. Come on, George, be ready to shoot. Get up there.
You got George.
George, you got to be much closer up if you're going to shoot that ball. When he got that ball, that's your ball to get.
Get up. Move over. You got this side.
Come on, Kata, bring some intensity, man.
Gael, get closer, Gael. Get
Intense.
closer. Get closer.
There you go, Kata. Pressure. Nice,
There you go,
Kata.
K-Dub.
There you go, George. Don't turn your back.
No pressure.
Go, tight.
Kata, be ready for the cross.
Go, Damien, that's you. Go. Pass, Damien, pass.
Shoot it.
Keep going. Maxi, that's your ball. Maxi, get in there, Maxi.
Pressure, Maxi, pressure.
Córrele.
Press up. Maxi, get back all the way.
Got it.
Look behind you.
Hey. Take that, Kaden.
Astro, Maxi, now. Central, get more central. Look at Ivan.
Look at Ivan. Oh, man.
Big kick.
Yes, you got it, Cole. Perfect.
Shoot him, Mohit. Get up.
Not in.
Go.
Not in? No goal. Okay. Gotcha.
Go, K-Dub. Nice, buddy.
Maxi.
Nice, K-Dub. Good job.
That's way too slow.
Mohit, your corner. Good shot, Mohit. Good try. Way to fight for it, K-Dub. K-Dub. Kaden. Sergio, to the middle. There you go, right there.
On in, Maxi.
Good, Kaden.
Damien.
Come on, K-Dub. You got to sprint harder, buddy. You got to
Come on,
run.
Damien, on the other side. Come on, Damien. Take it, Damien. Dribble, Damien.
Alex, get the ball. Let's go.
See Maxi.
That's you, Damien.
Give it to Maxi. Better pass, bro. Fight for that ball.
All the way back.
Fight for that
Get
ball.
back, Kyle. They're going to get behind you.
Yes.
Back that ball,
Kick it, Ivan, to
All the way
Ivan.
back.
Yes. Good job, Damien.
Ivan, that's you. Go. Up the side, Ivan. Go.
Get in the middle, Damien. Get in the middle.
Boot it.
Maxi.
Midfielders, I need you to get back.
Ivan, drop. Ivan.
Alex, get back.
Maxi.
Second level, back to Ivan. Go.
Maxi, check in. Check in,
K-Dub, it's
Maxi.
coming your way. Pressure him, K-Dub.
Take it.
Mohit and Kaden, you guys
Take
gotta
it.
run. Come on,
Yeah,
Mohit.
Maxi. Ivan hit.
Pass it back. There you go. Nice. Get up, Alex.
Take him on. Take him. To Damien.
To the halfway
Gael.
line.
Yeah, Gael. Right
Don't
here.
forget to the outside. Kick it to the outside, not to the middle. To the
Ivan.
outside every time.
Ivan, get closer.
Outside.
Come on. Out of the box. Come on. Guile, if it's a corner on this side, you need to press down a little bit. But watch for the counter, because these guys are getting behind you, dude. They're going to get a fast break, man. One of these times, you got to watch out.
Open.
Cross it! Don't turn your back. Get back now. Get back now. Get back now.
Go.
Hurry up, Damien.
Maxi,
Fast.
to Maxi,
Maxi's
to
open. Let's go.
To Maxi now.
Go now. Get up there. He needs somebody to pass it to, Damien. Come on.
Faster, Maxi.
Fall back. Boot it. Gotta get over there.
Outside.
There you go, Kaden. Don't get
Nice.
up on
Maxi,
it.
get
Let
closer.
go.
Good pressure, Kaden.
Get closer,
Put it on the
Maxi.
ground. Put it on the ground and kick it. Put it on the
How
ground.
is he gonna
Hey,
Go,
go.
Kaden, get there. K-Dub, come on.
Alex, get it. Let's go.
Pass, Damien. Pass.
All right, we need to start doing this.
Go, Maxi.
K-Dub. Stay with him, K-Dub. You got it. Sergio, your
Sergio,
position.
you're on the wrong side again.
Eduardo.
There you go, Kaden.
Lorenzo.
Throw it in, K-Dub. Throw.
What?
Lorenzo, you're playing on this side. Julian, you're going into Julian. And,
So I think in real games,
David, you're going
Kaden's really good
out.
at left wing. Yeah, he's got that position.
Sergio. Yeah, you gotta stay your side, okay? Stay over there. K-Dub, drop back a little bit. K-Dub. Drop back a little bit. Drop back. Sergio. K-Dub, back up.
ball. Look around.
K-Dub, you gotta back up! There you go, K-Dub. Throw it, buddy. Throw it. Quick. K-Dub, throw it.
K-Dub, kick and throw it.
Low hit. Kaden, get open. Get open for it.
Get back. Come on.
Damien higher. Pressure now, Damien. Now, Damien.
Pressure. Pass it to David. To David.
Nice,
Back,
man.
back, David.
Keep going. Get back.
Watch us.
All right, let's see. Who is my right
You better not score against us.
Why?
Good.
What did I do?
What if you do?
There you go, Kaden!
Clear it. Kick it out.
There you go, good pass!
Do it again.
Jesus. Nice job, K-Dub!
You got that.
K-Dub pretty good. Nice job, boys! Run back! Yeah, you guys ready? You ready? W's up! Mohit and K-Dub, come on out, guys! Good job, good job! You ready? Let's keep on. Nice, K-Dub. Good hustle, buddy. Good hustle.
Moxie.
Nice job, Mohit.
You're too slow.
You get one, don't worry, you get it. Nice job, Dominic. Cheated a little bit. Cheated a little bit. There you go, right there, Dominic. This
Man
is-
on, man on. Get open again, Moxie.
There you go, Dominic. Oh,
Again.
Dominic. Harder pass. Pressure, Dominic.
Take the line. Moxie, open up.
Other side of the field.
Play back. Lorenzo, faster.
Nice, Anthony. Spread out, you two.
Faster, Moxie, faster. You're too slow.
Sergio.
Look where AB is.
Cross that ball.
You have to be like AB.
You had an open teammate right in the middle. Sergio, turn those hips. Cross it back. Good pressure. Sergio, remember, you're the left side. You're the left side.
Higher, Damien. Higher.
George, get up there. Get up there, George. Get up. Dominic, you gotta get closer to the ball. Come on, George.
I like what George is doing.
Take it, Lorenzo.
There you
That's
go,
all you,
Anthony.
Lorenzo.
Fight
Come
for
on.
that
All you,
Nice
Lorenzo.
hustle, Anthony. Good job, Marco. A little too hard, Marco, but wait.
Open up, Lorenzo.
Marco. Good thought. Get back, George and Marco. Get back, George and Marco. George, run back. He's going forward, right? So he's going to be pressuring up. Let's spread up. Dominic, play the ball. Play the ball, Dominic. You got to be in the middle of the field. Get up there, Dominic. That's you right
Man
there.
on.
Look for a teammate.
Hey, don't give up on it.
Why you got your same team?
Get it, George. Don't stop.
Damien, down line.
What's up, Ref?
Sup?
What's up? What's up? Kaden. Come on up.
No, Kaden, you should go back in there. Kaden,
George, get way back there.
go back on defense, Lorenzo.
Nice job, Kaden.
Good play.
Dominic.
Down the line.
Come on, Renato, let's get aggressive.
You need a break?
Who?
Nolan. Oh, left midfielder. Nice hustle, Sergio. You gotta stay on your side. You'll be so tired.
Are we good?
David,
Good.
come in. David, come in. Down the line, down the line.
Down the line, Christian. Down the line.
Anthony, drop back some. Drop back some. There you go,
Get in there,
Anthony.
come on.
Look for the middle, Anthony. Go ahead, Anthony. Go ahead, Anthony. Dominic!
Okay,
Dominic, right down the sideline. Nice, Dominic. Look to cross it.
Arnold, take that.
That's all right, guys. Back up. Good cross, Dominic.
In the middle, Christian. In the middle.
Nolan.
Back up, guys. Back up, back up. You ready? Come on, Renato. Be ready to pressure. You ready to pressure?
Don't be on this side.
Dominic, right over here, buddy.
At the top.
And
Cross, Dominic.
Christian, half field. In the middle.
Jordan, you ready, buddy? Go.
Over the top.
we gotta laugh at sometimes.
There you go, Nolan.
Hey, Bob, you can play it so well. Good job, man.
George, come on out.
Hey, defense. Play maximum. Hey, Christian, you are playing center. Why are you outside? Go to the field. Go to the middle.
Anthony, get up there. You're the attacking midfielder.
Get back. Get behind you. Use your body. There you go.
Do it again.
Come on, Anthony. Don't stop, bud. Dominic, go ahead. Throw it. Renato, Anthony, call for the ball. Get ready.
Anthony.
Cover down the line, Kaden. Cover down the line.
Hit Anthony going out.
So leave it there, Dominic.
Wait, wipe out what?
Kaden, down the line.
Dominic, Dominic, right here.
Down the line,
Right here.
down the line.
Right here. Right here. Right here.
Go, Kaden, go.
Hey, get your body in there.
Go, Kaden. Go forward.
Oh, Dominic. Give up on it. Don't give up on it. You got it.
Christian. Wait, what the heck? Down the line, Christian. Down the line. Down the line,
Keep
Christian.
Cobras, you guys gotta move in.
Throw it into the corner, Kaden. Throw it into the corner. Throw it into the corner.
At this point, we're sticking to the At this point, we're sticking to
Get back, Kaden, get back.
Do it again. Get that ball back.
Nolan, you kicked it to where you're supposed to be.
Kaden, get in there. That's your ball, Kaden.
There you go. Good job, Dominic.
Hey, you gotta get back, Kaden. Why are we walking?
No, you're not outside for that.
Move up, Kaden. Go. Back it to Kaden.
What is that?
If you're tired, let me know, dude. I can take you out. You gotta run. Go. You're midfield, Kaden. Midfield. You gotta get up there. It's a corner. We only have 2 other people up there right now. Let's go. That's it. Cross him up. Get it, AB. Kaden, fight for the ball. Stop walking.
Go, Kaden, go. Outside.
Get it, Kaden. Go.
Kaden, get back, Kaden. Help, Kaden, help.
Nice, Dominic. Yeah, Dominic. Keep going. Stay there. You got it, Dominic. Go. Throw it, Dominic. Throw it. Renato, go. Go.
Go, Kaden. Don't stop, bro. Don't stop, Kaden. Go, Kaden.
front of this. You should be in front of Lorenzo. There you go. Be in front of Lorenzo. You're playing mid on this side.
That doesn't make sense. I know.
Renato, you got to get close for a pass.
That's the position, my man.
Yeah, that's the midfield, bro.
All right, Dominic. Dominic, you're going to crash when they're crossing it. You're crashing. They're going to score. Dominic, get in there, in the box. Jordan, get up there. Jordan, get up there. Run.
David complaining? That's just what it was.
Take that.
Go, Christian!
Get it back in.
Again, Marco. Again, Marco. Dominic, Dominic, get there, Dominic. You got it. Marco, you got someone behind you.
Are you guys coaches? Listen, number one, it's not your position. Okay, you don't want to start. Got it? Because you start doesn't mean anything. Alright? Everybody's got to play, my dude. Okay?
Go. Ivan. Yes, good. Good. You won that. Come on.
Sub ref. Damien.
Ivan,
Get in
go for it. Ivan, you're on this side.
Sub ref. Christian.
Renato.
Good. Hey, this is your side.
Don't worry about anything. Just do what you know how to do.
On him, Ivan. On him.
Go, Renato. Come on, Renato. Fight for it, buddy. Fight for it.
Nice, Lorenzo.
Man on.
Go. Fight for it, Damien.
Marco, you kick. Everyone push up. Dominic, play over here, buddy.
Renato, that's the build-out.
Marco, your kick.
Renato, that's the build-out line.
Midfielders, move back.
Renato,
Midfielders back.
Dominic, you too. Build-out line, orange line.
There you go. Nice, Marco. There, nice, Nolan. Good
There you
pass.
Anthony, you got the middle.
Anthony, you got a teammate wide open.
Eduardo, fall down that way so Matt can get you the ball, okay?
All right, Renato, be ready to pressure it. Pressure that ball. Build out line. Start at the build out line.
Okay, remember, once he kicks it, you go. Go.
Come on, Nolan.
Go.
Ask for it, Ivan. Ask for it.
Come on, Jordan, be aggressive. Nice shot, Marco.
Take your time.
It's all right, Marco. It's all right.
Here, down line.
Dominic, ready, ready.
Ivan.
Run.
It's all right. Good try.
Ivan,
Jump
down
back.
line.
Down line.
Get in front.
Ivan, take that.
Damien, make a run. Look, Damien. Down the line, Damien. Down the line. No pressure.
Sub ref. Maxi, get up. You're going in for David. David.
You better not jog.
Go.
Go. Put on David.
Your middle, Matt. Your middle.
Fine.
Mid.
Anthony, 5 balls, 50-50 balls.
Go, Maxi. Faster.
Good job, Jordan.
Come
Go,
on,
Nolan.
roll that.
Go ahead, Nolan. Throw it in. No, Nolan, don't run away from him. He's got to throw it to you guys.
Now look to your left. There's a person, okay? Right there. Perfect.
Come on, Renato.
Down the line, Maxi.
job, Nolan.
Ah,
I'm playing tired. Nice job, guys. Half time, half time. Come on, boys, chugging. Chugging. Everybody get some water. Get some water, get some water. Hey, you did great. Yeah, like that. Good job, good job. Some water.
Where's my water? Why is it in?
I forgot what setting I put it on.